Now we're going to talk about the grammar part of the lesson. The first one is phrases with the verb ing. The verb ing is also called the present participle, and we can use it to describe what a person is doing or wearing. For example, if we're at a party and I ask, "Who's your husband?" or "Who is your husband?" you're going to tell me what he's doing so I can identify him. And you can say, for example, "He's the man standing by the table." So then I look at the table, I see the man standing there, and I know that that is your husband. Or you can say, "He's the man talking to the woman." I look for the man who is talking to the woman, and I identify your husband. You can also tell me what he's wearing. He's the man wearing yellow pants. So I look for the man with the yellow pants, and that's your husband. We can also use phrases with prepositions to locate people in a place. And the first prepositions are ones with location to indicate where in the group or in the room somebody is. So we're going to ask the same question. Who is your husband? You're going to say, "He's the guy next to the door," so that I can look to the door and find him. Or "He's the man by the window," so I can look to the window and know who it is. With prepositions, we can also describe physical appearance, and we're going to use with and then a physical trait or a feature. For example, again, we're at a party and I tell you the woman with the glasses is my cousin. So you look over, you find the person wearing glasses, and that's my cousin. Or the girl with the short hair is my sister. Usually between with and the physical trait, we're going to put the. You can also say what somebody is wearing with a preposition using in or with and then that piece of clothing. For example, one with in, the guy in the yellow pants looks familiar. And one with, the woman with the green sweater is my mom. And again, usually between in or with and the clothing word, we're going to use the. We can also use the pronoun one or ones, followed by a preposition or a present participle. In a past unit, we had one or ones to replace objects like mirrors, cushions, headphones, things like that, things in the house. But we can also replace people. For example, again, we're at the party and you ask, "Which one is your sister?" And I'm going to respond to you with a present participle, so the ing. She's the one. Here's one. After the participle, she's the one eating cake. And that's how you know which one is my sister. Again, we're at a party and you ask, "Which ones are your kids?" Ones, remember, is plural. You want to know of all of the children, which ones are mine. And I say they're the ones with the pink shirts.